So hi guys, this is just a 2 minutes haul video of basic utility. So guys, this is 6-inch wrench from sale, DIY sale. This is MRP is 240. I got it in 230. This is the only thing which I didn't got a good discount. But okay guys, this is a socket box with all the sockets, screws and Allen keys. So guys, this is only for 180 rupees guys. This is a tab. This MRP is 60 rupees. I got it for 17 rupees guys. This is a dual tap guys, and I got this for this MRP is some 250 rupees something, and I got it only for 140 rupees guys. All the DIY sale. This is guys a flusher, so its MRP is 125 and I got it for around 105 rupees. And this is multi-utility task, or we can call it as a pocket knife kind of tool. So this I got at 105 rupees only guys. So its MRP is 190, and this is I like this thing. Okay, it's a plier. You can use it as a plier. It also has blades for wire cutting and crimping. So very good thing guys while traveling. So guys, this is a simple tab. This is only for 10 rupees guys. Push tab for your filters. So this is one thing which I never saw below 250 in local market also. As you can see, MRP is 260 guys. I got this only for 130 in the sale guys. And this is a theft lock, anti-theft lock, and it's damn hard heavy. This MRP is 260. I got it only for 75 rupees guys. So you can see one more thing. This is anti-theft. You can see this quality and this anti-theft lock guys. This also I got its MRP was some 360. I got it only for 100 rupees guys. So guys, this is a bike lock. MRP is 170 rupees. I got it for 105 rupees guys. And guys, you can see this is Mr. DIY use list. I have done other products review also, bike accessories reviews and all those things in other videos guys. This was basic home accessories, and guys, this is a bird feeder, and this only cost is 14 rupees guys. Awesome deal at DIY sale. Just check it out.